Here's how we make a clay snow person. You can build 3 sections to your snowman and then add all the fun details that you want: scarves, hats, um, earmuffs, buttons, whatever you like. First thing to do is take your big lump of clay that you get and pull off a small chunk so that you can make a small pinch pot for the very bottom of your sculpture. That was too big, so I'll remove some so that it about fits in the size of my hand between my palms. I can roll it together to make a nice round ball about that size. And then to make the pinch pot, just poke your thumb into the clay as far down as you can go without poking through the bottom. And then I like to just kind of grab the clay and squeeze it around my thumb, shaping up to be a nice tiny pinch pot shape. Turning and pinching will make the pot a little bigger, but you want to keep shaping it so it's kind of nice and round so it makes a good base for your snowman sculpture. The next 2 sections can be solid. You don't have to turn them into pinch pots because you're going to make sure that they are smaller than your base. Your base is going to support the next 2 chunks of clay, so make sure they're not as big. Then you got to attach them together, and that's done by using your wooden tool, scratching and slipping. Every time you attach clay to clay, you want to scratch and slip both pieces and then smoosh them together so that they are going to stay and not fall off as soon as they dry. For the face of your snow person, you want to roll another ball that you're going to attach on top. Make sure it's the same size or maybe just a tiny bit smaller, but not bigger than the bottom of your snowman. You have to decide if you want to have like an open mouth on your snowman like this, because that's kind of fun and gives it some personality, or if you just want to have like a more normal drawn on mouth, you can do that too. If you want the open mouth, you can poke your finger and make the teeniest, tiniest pinch pot ever, and then squeeze and shape the clay to kind of give it a certain expression or something. Whether its mouth is big and open is fine, or kind of smiling, it's fun too. Either way, then when you're ready to attach, don't forget to scratch and slip so that your clay sticks together forever. Once you get those basic shapes done for your sculpture, it's really just fun from here, because now you get to add all the little details like eyes, a carrot nose, and whatever your snow person is wearing, that's going to be up to you. Any little personality details you want to add, whatever works best for you is fine. So make sure that you are scratching and slipping every time you attach pieces and details to your clay. You want them to stay and not just pop off as soon as it dries. 2 important things we need to do is poke holes in the side for the arms that we'll make with fuzzy wires later. So use your wooden tool to poke all the way through. Then pull it out and use the same wooden tool to poke another hole, this time all the way through your 3 sections of clay of the snowman. So poke it all the way through to its head. And that's going to let the air escape as it heats up and will make sure your snowman doesn't explode. Alright, thanks for watching. Have fun. Ask questions if you need help.